Ćao svima, hi. In this video I will try to see what's happening with this Canon Legria HF R606 camera. I buy it very cheaply, it's broken. It has some special DC input, so without a battery it doesn't want to turn on. I tried with power supply and it's drawing, I don't know, 1.5 amp, which is not normal. Yeah, there is no battery and not turn it off, so something is shorted. Then let's open and see what can be. One screw is missing. Yeah. So somebody already opened this. And that's not good in start, but I buy this very cheaply, I think. €4 or something like that. I record with the phone, so I will try to buy some camera like this. I think it's full HD, 15 frames per second or something like that. So to buy this cheap broken and try to fix and record the videos with camera. Yeah, the light is very bad, I don't know why. Somehow dark with too much shadows, sorry. Okay, so here is the connector. Let's try to okay. This middle pin is plus, and on both sides is minus. So let me show you if I can do that. Let's turn on the power supply. 5.3 volts. Let's leave 1 amp. Wow, how I could done this. Let's try it like this. This will be hard because I need one more arm to show you. Let's try like this. Okay. Wow, it's not good. Not good. Let me pull off the camera. Please. Okay, currently I don't see anything, obviously. Let's just check again. Here is minus, here is plus. Yeah, 1 amp. 1 amp. And I think now I can show you. Let me just put the phone down. Wait a second, please. You see? Amp. If I remove, so something is shorted. I really hope that it is very small components and blah. I need a microscope, okay? I need a microscope, so I now will turn on the microscope. Working. No. I done that because of when I start recording, you know. Let's remove this cup. Oh, the light is terrible. How about now? It's even worse. Let's try like this. Oh, it's better. Yeah. So let's try to find something burned or different color or broken or crashed. See how this small is. These components are. This is so. Oh. Oh. Looks a little bumped. Yeah. No. No. Probably yes, but to see the chip, maybe somebody find this video helpful, even for disassembling, you know. Oh, I think this is the memory. think this is memory or main chip. I don't know. Really. Let's see this one. Okay. This one. ERM, yeah. And let's check another site. Okay. So I don't see anything currently. If some chip is dead, probably this is unfixable. This is probably on power regulator. I even don't know how to assemble all this. Okay, I have a video. If I can find the proper screws. So it's let's try it sharp a little. Okay. Now it's bad. It's really sensitive. Cheap. I couldn't expect. Whoa! What is this? Huh? Did I find the problem? No way. Let's check. Let me find my precision tweezers. Okay, where are you? Yeah, this is broken. No, I don't have schematics for this. That's for sure. That's for sure. And how could I remove this? You see? This little guy is broken. Let's try to clean. Where is he? Here somewhere? No. Ah. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Here somewhere? Ah, here he is. Yeah. This one. It will be great if I just pull him out. Not this one, this one. You know? Whoops. That's it. That's it. I just want to remove him. I don't have the replacement for sure, because I don't know the value or anything. Let's remove this part also. More parts. Here. Okay, this is not the problem. This can be a little problem. So I want to remove that also. Yeah. And that's it, I think. Yeah. Now let's try with power supply. Let's try. Oh, we still have a problem. Something else is shorted. Okay. Let's try with continuous. Let me show you. This side is okay, and this is not. Here something is shorted also. You can see this big inductor. I think that, no, it's capacitor. It's also shorted. This also. This is not. Okay. This is not. This is not. check the board once more. Oh, I was so happy. So happy with that capacitor. But where goes this capacitor? Here on this big and goes here. Huh. Some coil. Maybe this thing is problem. Let's check. Just a little more. Make shadow. No. The picture isn't better. Let's check the power supply. Is this shorted? No, it's not. It's not. Let's check these capacitors. This 4 ohm, it's okay. That's not shorted. That's just too small resistance. Let's take this view of this. Okay. This is okay. This is okay. What about here? Let's check now. It's okay. It's okay. So the problem is from this side. Yeah. Here somewhere. See? This is shorted. Something here is shorted also. Very interesting. Is this ground? No. This is ground. Yeah. Okay, I will raise the current on 2 amps. And then try to figure out where is the problem. Okay, this. One point five. Let's check this side of the board first. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. I don't know. Is from this side or from another side? Wow. Wow, here. Ooh. Here something is really, really hot. Seriously hot. Cables are a little short, so, and this this chip is so hot. Blah. Let's put the microscope back and see. Maybe chip is getting hot because of some shorted components, yeah? But I don't think so. I don't think so. I burned my finger. Yeah. For C035. Let's try to find 440 C035 C035. Now what's 150.03 CA1. A1. I see. No. Unfortunately, I cannot repair this. This is some power regulator for sure, and maybe I can just try to see what is getting hot most rapidly. Let's use some isopropyl. Output. I cannot use on this. Yeah. So let's try. Yeah, it's this chip. Now I will show you. You see? Everything around is still wet. You see? And this chip. Let me show you just one more time. You see? So the chip is dead. Okay. what can I do? Nothing. Maybe if I find on the internet this, let's turn off the microscope. If I find on internet some schematics or similar, I will try to replace that, but I don't think so. This is too small for me. I really put my hopes in this capacitor, but what can I do? So, thank you for watching the video. If you like, please click like or dislike. If you don't like the video, tell me in comments if you have any questions or something, and until the next one, bye bye.